So here's Davinci Resolve version 17, and I have 1, 2 and 3 clips here, and this arrangement, let's try to copy to this one because the clips are here in the corner. They are not vertically as here. So to copy this arrangement onto those clips, first click on the clip from where you want to copy, right click on it and copy. That's the usual Ctrl+C. Okay, go to the next clip where you want to copy those arrangement schemes. Okay, and right click on that clip and don't use paste but paste attributes, and that is Alt-V. So instead of Ctrl+V, we are using Alt-V. Okay, and make sure the video attributes are checked. So now they are not checked, now they are checked, because these will be pasted, more exactly the scale and position and something like that. And click apply. And as you might see here in the center we have a clip. If we disable it, yes, it's there. Okay, so in the same thing, go to this one, the second clip, also copy, Ctrl+C, go to the next clip and paste attribute, Alt-V. Everything is checked, apply, and now we have two clips side by side. And let's do it to the keyboard, Ctrl+C, click on that one, let's go there so that we can also see it, and Alt-V, don't forget the Alt, not Ctrl, and apply. And now these clips are arranged in the same manner, 3 vertical clips, as are these. Both of them here and there are on vertical.